Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to be doing a video on unboxing a 65-inch LG TV with the AI ThinQ technology. Comes with the 60 Hz default refresh rate with 120 motion. Also comes with a 4K resolution, 38 60 by 21 60p, I believe. So don't quote me on that. Price on the TV, it's about $4.99. Got it on the Black Friday this year. Of course, the tax is always extra on the price, so give or take about $550 for the TV, and we're gonna get going here. Also comes with it includes the smart TV options like apps like Hulu, Google Play, App Store. Also support Bluetooth version 5.0. Also works with Alexa, Google Home, and all the other smart devices. So pretty simple. Get it unboxed and opened up here. Just get it opened, nice and tight. Wrapping from LG. Looks like I need to cut this side real quick. And there we go. Simply lift up the box. It's gonna bring us to the front panel. So right there, as you guys can see, I'm gonna get the packing out of the way real quick. And here, okay, so here are the stands. I'm gonna put them on the side real quick. We got the TV cord and the magic remote. So let's get this bad boy unpacked. So it comes out the front cover and the side panels. Awesome. And the first look at the 65-inch right here. Alright, so at this point what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and pause the video and come back once we kind of put the bars in at the bottom, and we'll get the Magic TV unboxed when we come back. So stay tuned. Okay, so welcome back, guys. So we put the legs on. There's 3 screws that go into each side, and what we're gonna do is go ahead and get this turned on. And also, I'll show you the remote right here. This is called the Magic Remote. It has icons from Amazon Prime, Netflix, movies, and other LG stuff. Also, it's a smart remote, so it has a mouse in the middle right here, so you can kind of play around with that mute button. And the standard remote it's not very fancy, but it does its thing. So right there, as you guys can see, the OS is booting up, and we're going to walk through the process and see what it looks like and what it feels like to get this turned on for the first time. So waiting for the first initialization.
Please press the OK wheel button on your remote.
Okay, so
confirm your location and language settings.
So we are
Español,
English, and the time zone.
Los Angeles.
Let's go Chicago.
Uncheck. OK.
And OK.
Audio guidance is currently turned on. No button.
Okay, so I'm going to turn off the audio guidance right there. We are OK here. So as you guys can see, this is the mouse to kind of play around with it, and I'm going to go ahead and click. It's a little tough, but you'll get used to it. So we're going to go ahead and click on Wi-Fi, and we're going to click here, and we'll put this password in. Oops, it's taking a bit to understand here. Okay, so we kind of got it to connect to the internet. The remote takes a minute for you to get to adjust, but then you basically get to the legal stuff, terms and conditions, and basically you say, you don't have a choice here, so basically select all, and you click agree, and basically agree. And let's see, we're gonna go ahead and skip this, and currently I don't have any TV service, so I'm gonna say I don't have any TV service. Let's see, and the zip code, you can put in your zip code here. Let's see, and go ahead and click OK up top there. And I think what they use this for is basically getting your weather and things along those lines. So right there. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and go to the smart channel or the smart home. Alright, so welcome back, guys. We had to play around with the remote a little bit and finally found the YouTube app to show you some 4K content on here. So basically right here we have pulled up a video, a 4K video that shows you some content, how it looks on this TV, and then you are watching this on a 4K, so right there, and it gives you, we're going to play this for a couple seconds so you can understand how it works, and I'm going to turn up the sound here a little bit. Can see the quality is right on, rock on from LG. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and do a quick walk around of the TV. So without any further ado, let's get going for that. So as you guys can see right here, this is the front of the TV, but let's do a quick walk around of the TV right here. So as you guys can see, the side panel right here, it's pretty thin, you know. Now we're gonna go to the back side, and back side is very amazing here. So we're looking at the bottom right there, and we're gonna zoom in just a bit. And I'm gonna get my tripod down here a little bit, so hold on just a second right there. Okay, sorry about that, guys. So here's the back look right there. So there you got your power cable right there, and that's your back inside input. So what you got is digital audio, then you got the LAN port for your internet. If you have a wired connection, you got a USB port, you got another HDMI there, and you got your RCA jacks right there. Also, you got your cable port, which is right here on this side. Also, that's the back panel. Now, moving forward to the side panel, as we can see right there, there are a couple HDMI ports. And so there's two HDMI ports right there, as you guys can see. HDMI, you know, two HDMI, standard HDMIs, and what you got is a USB port. So that's all for this video, guys, but make sure you guys like and subscribe, and kind of give you another front look of the TV right there, the full look right there, right there. So make sure you guys like and subscribe the video, and do share it if you guys have enjoyed this video. I definitely appreciate your help, and look forward to seeing you again. Bye bye.